hi, Ann. Murph, come on, Murph. Come on over here. Good, good man. Good man. Do a little work here. There you go. Good. Oh, what'd you smell? What'd you smell? What a good boy. Let's come. Murphy, come. Let's come. Let's come. Let's come. Oh, my boy. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Up. 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 Very good. Very good. Very good. Get back here. That's up. Very good boy. Okay, hang on. Good. Good, good. Good, good. Murph, Murph. Oh, I think you got sent to something already, huh? Did you get sent to something? Huh? Murphy, come. Let's go. Yeah, pheasant. Oh, good boy, Murphy, come. Murphy, come. Thank you. Thank you. Very nice. Very nice. Let's come here. Go, go. Very nice boy. What a nice boy that is. Yeah, nice. Take a second. Good, good. Hup, 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 hup. Hang on. Good. Good, good, Kevin. Good man. Good man. Get out here. Good. 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 Okay. Go on. Get this side. Oh, did you catch the winch or something? Huh? Oh, good guy. Good. Murphy, come. Murphy, come. Come on. Let's come. Up. What a good boy. Thank you. Yeah.